Greetings and salutations, everyone. Welcome back to the Rockhaven Homestead, and I figured, you can tell by the title of this episode that I figured I'd share with you what I think my favorite sound in all of the homestead is. Can you hear it? It's the frogs. And there's maybe some crickets mixed in there some. And I hear some birds, but it's mainly those frogs. When I've been away from either the homestead or just away from here for a while, and I come back and I get out of the car and I hear that, or I hear it on the way, just a peaceful sense of belonging sets in. You know you're home type situation. And oh, if you add in a warm spring, some early summer, late summer, and fall breeze, that's a delectable sensation. I hope why don't you guys tell me down in the comments below what your favorite sound or sensation is on the homestead. But for me, it's that. With a warm summer breeze, or a warm breeze, I'll just say, hearing the frogs and just having that moment of returning you to a timeless point in your life where everything was okay. I hope you have a great day. God bless and enjoy. Bye.